Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create a G Suite account. G Suite is a powerful suite of cloud-based productivity tools that can help you streamline your work and improve your collaboration with others. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just looking to boost your personal productivity, G Suite has something to offer. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a G Suite account, from selecting the right plan to setting up your account and getting started with the tools. So let's get started. The first step in creating a G Suite account is to select the right plan for your needs. G Suite offers a variety of plans, ranging from basic plans that include just the essentials to more advanced plans that include additional tools and features. To select a plan, go to the G Suite website and click on Get Started. From there, you'll be prompted to choose a plan based on your needs and budget. Once you've selected a plan, you'll need to provide some basic information to set up your account. This will include your name, email address, and password. You'll also be asked to provide some additional information, such as your company name, if you're creating an account for your business, and your phone number. Be sure to provide accurate information, as this will be used to set up your account and to contact you if necessary. After you've provided your information, you'll need to verify your domain. This is a critical step in setting up your G Suite account, as it ensures that your account is associated with your domain name, example, yourcompany.com. To verify your domain, you'll need to follow the instructions provided by G Suite, which typically involve adding a DNS record to your domain's DNS settings. Once your domain is verified, you'll need to set up your G Suite account. This will involve selecting the tools and features you want to use, such as Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. You'll also need to configure your settings, such as your email signature, your notification preferences, and your security settings. Congratulations! You've successfully created a G Suite account and are now ready to start using the tools to streamline your work and improve your productivity. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful, and that you're now feeling confident in your ability to set up and use a G Suite account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to the G Suite support team. Thanks for watching.